What's up, guys, and welcome. So, there's this video of Papa Penny, that is circulating of him while he's still speaking in Parliament. I mean, the guy, was asking questions that are just so difficult to understand. And I was wondering, like, what is really going on with this guy? And it turns out, Prince Mashele actually analyzed exactly what is going on with Papa Penny. And Papa Penny is said to have not even attended like school at any point, according to Prince Mashele. That's what he was saying. So Prince Mashele was saying, look, I have a master's degree and this guy is leading me and writing laws for me. Where do you think we are really going to as a country? So Prince Mashele was not happy about all of this. So it turns out what Prince Mashele actually wants is that he wants, for there to be like a requirement, a minimum requirement to say you must at least have this level of education to be able to get to parliament. It shouldn't be open for everyone. So if we start restricting, by putting certain levels of education, that means we're not getting the people like Jacob Zuma, Papa Ben, obviously. So many people are not going to be able to get them. They're going to be scratched and removed completely. I'll catch you guys on the next one.